We all want clear, glowing glass-like skin. But let's be real, skincare can get really expensive. So in this video, I am gonna spill the tea on how I maintain my clear, glowing glass-like skin on a super tight budget of 10 rupees. I have acne-prone skin, which is the hardest skin type to maintain. So if I can maintain this glow on my acne-prone skin, then I am 200% sure you will be glowing like a diamond if you follow all these steps. So first things first, hydration is the key. It's the foundation to have glowing skin. So make water your best friend. All you need to do is apply mineral water which you drink on your skin. Take little water and rub it on your clean hands and apply it on your face. Now take some petroleum jelly and apply it all over your damp skin. The water will hydrate the skin while the petroleum jelly will act as a moisturizer and prevent the water from evaporating from your skin. Drinking enough water throughout the day is also very important. So aim to drink 8 glasses or 4 liters of water throughout the day. The petroleum jelly from Vaseline comes in 10 rupees, which can easily last for a month, and water is absolutely free. Now, along with glowing skin which we get from hydration, we want our skin to be brighter and have a glass-like glow. And for that, I love to use rice. There are many ways to use rice for your skin improvement, and if you want to know all the recipes, then click on the icon above. Right now, I am going to show you the most basic and easiest method, which is by using cooked rice water on face. For that, all you need to do is, after your rice is fully cooked, there is some water left. You need to extract that water and let it become cool. After that, apply it on your face, neck and body and let it sit on your skin for 10 to 20 minutes and then rinse off with water. You will be amazed to see how clear and bright your skin looks. I showed you this recipe as it's the easiest one. We eat rice almost every day, so simply ask your mom to keep some rice water for you and you should apply it on your skin every day. It makes my skin all bright and glowing, so I'm sure you will love it too. Rice is always cooked in our home, so the rice water is also kind of free. But if not, then buy 10 rupees of rice and boil it. Stain the cooked rice for a different recipe and use the rice water. Now, along with glowing glass-like skin, we also want it to be clear glowing glass-like skin. So if you get pimples and acne, then this can get a little challenging for you. But worry not, since I have acne-prone skin, I know how to deal with it. And for that, all you need is a banana. No, you don't actually have to apply the banana on your acne. Kindly eat the delicious dessert and keep the banana peel for your skin. The inside of a banana peel is filled with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. So it will reduce the inflamed acne, which is also commonly known as active acne, and antioxidant properties will reduce the acne mark. Now, all you need to do is rub the banana peel on your face. You can take a spoon to make the top layer of the peel moisturized. Keep rubbing it on your acne. Then leave the residue on your skin for 20 minutes and wash off with water. You will see an instant glow on your face. It makes my acne dry out and fade so fast, so I'm sure it will be working amazing on your skin too. I live in Kolkata, and in my city, 3 bananas comes at 10 rupees. So I'm sure you will get at least 1 banana at 10 rupees wherever you live. Now let's talk about what I don't do to maintain my clear, glowing, healthy glass-like skin. And this is the most important thing, so listen closely. I don't ever touch my face unless my hands are clean. We all have this bad habit of touching our face frequently without realizing how much germs and bacteria are being transferred from our hands to our skin. I have made myself very conscious to not touch my face, and you should do it too, so you can avoid getting close comedones and acne. Now this is the hard one. I don't eat sugar and dairy. Cutting out sugar and dairy from my diet was the best thing I did for my body and skin, as high sugar and dairy intake can increase androgen hormone, which makes our body to produce more oil. Plus, it's harmful for our body's health in long run. If you cannot completely cut out sugar and dairy from your diet, then try to intake them as less as possible. These are the do's and don'ts I follow to maintain my clear, glowing glass-like skin within 10 rupees. Lastly, this one thing I do doesn't cost any amount or need anything. It's called manifestation. I do this every single day and I suggest literally everyone to do the same. So listen close. Manifestation works as a law of attraction. In simple words, if you think positive, then positive things will happen in your life. And it goes vice versa. Like if you think negative, negative things will happen in your life. So what I do is I make a goal in my mind. For an example, if I want to have clear skin or if I want to buy a car or a house, I think it in my mind that I have already got it. Now since I do it regularly, the universe does its magic and brings the things that I want to me. So if you really want something, do believe that you will get it. And keep thinking positive about yourself and others. Now, if you want to know how you can get clear glass-like skin in 30 days, then watch this video. As in this video, I have given perfect glass skincare routine for literally each and every skin type. Subscribe my channel now so that you can regularly get interesting and informative videos. I'm your love, Sristy Dutta, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.